Hi, it's Mike Seymour, and this is Rafael's work on unmixing-based soft color segmentation. So what you're seeing here is Nuke running CopyCat. And what CopyCat is doing is learning from how Rafael set up the soft color segmentation, and it will then be able to apply it. So let me explain what you're looking at. Obviously, the CopyCat node is this amazing sort of tool now in Nuke 13 that allows you to train on a sequence. And here we can see it's running through 10,000 epochs or 10,000 sort of iterations to learn what he did to basically implement this soft color segmentation. And having learned that over just a few frames, it's going to be able to then understand this and produce or infer a solution to this. In other words, create a high quality bespoke machine learning training solution that doesn't require sort of complex training environments or really a massive understanding of AI. And this was developed by the Foundry's AI research team, or the AIR group. So CopyCat's relatively easy to use. You could use it on Roto or Beauty. Here it's being used to comp outside the window. And so at this stage, the system is inferring what's being done, and then it's going to apply it to the clip. And you'll notice that the CopyCat node has ground truth. That's the stuff that it's getting as a training. And then it's learning from that how to segment this image in a way that will be incredibly useful. And when you see the results here, you see that the stuff on the right is effectively all of the layers that add together to give you the original. In other words, it's split out that result. And you could use this for keying as well. Here, the CopyCat is being used to produce a key. Now, the key can be, as before with the previous example, done in any way you want, because the multi-scale recurrent network, which is what is at the heart of CopyCat, is something that's just like a base tool. It's not like a particular technique. And so Rafael has used it to use CopyCat to do this soft color segmentation that would allow him then to, in the way that he wants, segment this image in a way that's helpful for him doing keys. But the trick here is, of course, that having done this very complicated segmentation, the program isn't repeating that. It's not like it's a script. It's actually learnt the results, and then it's inferring those results. So in this case, the machine is doing like 80,000 steps or epochs to get through. I think the default is 10,000. And it's learning in what's called supervised learning in machine learning. It's learning how this was done so that it can produce it. One of the really impressive things about the way that the Foundry has implemented this is that it's incredibly clever at not getting kind of hung up. Like, their implementation of this is really impressive. Rafael's running this on a graphics card that's a 3080, which is a really good card to run on. You can run it on sort of lesser cards, but 3080 or something higher would be really good. And you can see here, these are the different ways that he's segmented out that clip. And of course, this continuous sequence we're looking at here was the inferred results based on just a couple of frames that he did initially. Really great technique.